my god, I almost died.
No.
I almost died. I was so scary. Thank you.
It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Hello everyone, welcome to my holiday vlog. So this morning I was traveling to Umbul, Bandung. So Umbul, Bandung is a remote village in the Aspen Mountains in Padarincan sub-district. I passed through a river with a pretty strong current and the water was very cold. Okay, now it's night time. I am already at the house of Miss Saa and Mr. Emi in Umbul, Bandung. Now we will do dinner with friends Miss Saa and Mr. Emi. Okay, the next day I went to the river at Umbul, Bandung with my friends to play water in the river flow. In the middle of the trip, I found a water hole rounded like a U-shape, and I tracked it. Turned out that the water hole was a very clear spring. And I arrived at the Umbul Bandung River. For your information, this river flows down to Curug Cikotak, friends. Now I am with my friends talking and enjoying a cup of coffee, accompanied by the flow of the river and serene nature. Because men don't tell stories but in the river for a long time. Okay, now I am on my way home because the clock is already showing 2 p.m. On the way home, I also found a good waterfall. On every trip, I enjoying the beauty of nature. That is very beautiful, and there also looks pretty danau. And I got home in the afternoon. I invited my young brother to ride a motorcycle around the village. And at the night, I read books to broaden my horizons. Okay, maybe the vlog ends. Thank you and see you again, brother.